In 2025, Tesla is not just about electric cars. They are stepping into the world of smart TVs, and it's going to be a game changer. Imagine TV that doesn't just play movies, but interacts with you like never before. This is not just another smart TV, it's a Tesla Smart TV, and it comes with features that will blow your mind. Let's start with the display. Tesla's Smart TV will have an 8K OLED panel, making everything look ultra realistic. The colors will be so sharp and vibrant that you will feel like you are inside the movie. It will have a super high refresh rate, which means no motion blur at all. Whether you're watching action movies, playing games, or just scrolling through your favorite content. Now, let's talk about the AI-powered Tesla Vision. This TV won't just sit in your living room, it will observe, learn, and adapt to your habits. If you usually watch thrillers at night, it will suggest the best new thrillers without you even searching. If you prefer watching with dim lights, the TV will automatically adjust the brightness and colors to suit the mood. It's like having a personal assistant that understands your entertainment preferences perfectly. One of the biggest highlights is the Neuralink compatibility. This feature sounds like science fiction, but it's real. If you own a Neuralink device, you might be able to control the TV with your mind. No remotes, no buttons, just think, and the TV responds. Want to increase the volume? Just think about it. This will make entertainment effortless and futuristic. Tesla's Smart TV is also going to change the way we play games. It will come with built-in cloud gaming support, meaning you don't need an expensive gaming console. You can play high-quality games directly on your TV without any lag. Plus, with Tesla's AI, the TV will analyze your gaming habits and give you real-time suggestions on how to improve. Imagine playing a game, and your TV advises you on the best strategies, just like having a gaming coach at home. And here's something truly revolutionary. The Tesla Smart V will integrate with Tesla cars. If you own a Tesla vehicle, your TV will sync with it seamlessly. You can check your car's battery level, set your travel route, or even watch your car's camera feeds right on your TV screen. If you are in your Tesla, your Smart V can continue playing exactly where you left off at home. It's like carrying your entertainment everywhere you go. Another jaw-dropping feature is the Tesla Bot integration. Tesla is already working on humanoid robots, and this TV will be fully compatible with them. Imagine sitting on your couch and asking your Tesla Bot to bring you a drink while you watch a movie. Or better yet, asking the TV and the bot to coordinate your daily schedule. The possibilities are endless. Tesla's Smart V will also introduce something called HoloView projection. This means the TV won't just show images on the screen, but can project 3D holograms into your living room. Imagine watching a nature documentary where animals seem to walk right in front of you, or playing a game where characters appear next to you. This is next-level entertainment, and it's coming soon.